The quote by Socrates, "He is richest who is content with the least, for contentment is the wealth of nature," conveys a profound insight into the true nature of wealth and contentment. It suggests that the richest individuals are not those who possess the most material possessions, but rather those who find contentment and fulfillment in the simplest aspects of life. At its core, this quote challenges the conventional notion of wealth solely in terms of external acquisitions. It encourages individuals to reevaluate their relationship with material possessions and recognize the inherent richness that lies in cultivating contentment. Here are some key ideas to consider in understanding the meaning behind Socrates' quote. Redefining riches. Socrates invites us to redefine our understanding of wealth. Instead of measuring riches solely in terms of material possessions and wealth, he suggests that true wealth lies in contentment. The individual who is content with the least possesses a richness that surpasses material accumulation. Secondly, the power of contentment. The quote highlights the significance of contentment as a source of wealth. Contentment is the ability to find satisfaction and fulfillment in what one already has, rather than constantly seeking more. It is an inner state of peace and gratitude that transcends material possessions. Simplicity and minimalism. The quote resonates with the principles of simplicity and minimalism. It encourages individuals to embrace a lifestyle that focuses on the essentials and reduces the attachment to material possessions. By letting go of unnecessary desires and possessions, one can cultivate contentment and discover the true richness of life. Freedom from desire. Socrates' quote suggests that true wealth lies in freeing oneself from the constant craving for more. When one is content with the least, they are liberated from the cycle of desire that often leads to dissatisfaction and a sense of lack. By embracing contentment, individuals find freedom from the never-ending pursuit of external wealth. Last but not the least, harmony with nature. The quote emphasizes the connection between contentment and the natural world. It suggests that contentment is aligned with the inherent wisdom and abundance found in nature. Nature operates in a state of balance and sufficiency, and by aligning ourselves with its principles, we can discover a wealth that transcends material possessions. In summary, Socrates' quote challenges the conventional understanding of wealth and invites us to reevaluate our relationship with possessions and desires. It suggests that true riches are found in cultivating contentment and embracing a simpler way of life. By recognizing the inherent wealth in nature and finding satisfaction in the least, individuals can experience a deep sense of fulfillment and harmony. Ultimately, this quote calls for a shift in perspective from external accumulation to internal richness, highlighting the power of contentment as the true wealth of nature. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Make Money Mindset channel for more content like this. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Stay tuned for our next video.